Yo, warning straight to fruition. It's time, so slipping through the hourglass. On couches sitting, running as some time has passed. 30 days or so, near your head or door. But ringing, you go get it just to see the complainants come. Your landlord's filed eviction papers, now you're preparing for. Or also gotta get yourself together and head to court. Make sure you're not a victim of this process. This rhyme is to bring more knowledge. You got this, let's make it a contest. Let's break down this concept, the lawsuit, and all its contents creatively. So all its issues are plain to see. In Philly landlord cases, see attention, let's make it easy. The deck they're trying to stack, but let's make it even, just take a seat. Yo, truth for no fiction, this lawsuit for eviction includes what landlord needs to prove just to win, son. He proves his jurisdiction if he's got a lease, if not, then there is none. And Landlord Tenant Court, which depends on the existence of a tenancy. Now, if the lease is residential, we can proceed, but only once the court has received these 3 certificates of license for rental kids, but for rental suitability, which shows that the premises are fit to live in. The 3rd cert is for lead safety. We'll touch this more in depth a bit later, but if he's got them as required, then I serve you a plate of meat and potatoes. An argument for breach he will make, or termination if your lease is ended. Then he'll be suing for breach of rents what he wants. If he don't get it, he needs possession. The breach is monetary. If not, within the cause of the breach, he should list it. Let's say your mom peed in the hall and the lease was visit. That breach is for cause, and hopefully you get it. If you sent the notice to quit, then he should give it to the court with the lease and certificates as exhibits. And be specific, he should list how much rent due and the fees expected. Yo, so what do? Now you got in the suit, landlord serve you the notice. What's the advice you could use? Well, first check the complaint. The court gave you a date, so show up. If you don't, you be getting the judgment. Be trusted. If you can't show, at least take a moment before the court they can seek a postponement. Now this could be done online at the court site, in person at 1339 Chestnut 10th floor. Just know, request file less than 10 days out from the date will get flagged. So I'll say, be mindful of the time of your filing. Otherwise, arrive at the time of your trial. You get a chance to mediate it, but if you can't reach an agreement, then you'll take it before the court, see what they say, then you'll raise defenses. A great place to begin is to investigate the paperwork given to you by the landlord. Those 3 certificates, check the dates in them. For the match the dates that you've been living there with the premises. Are they expired? Make sure they're compliant with or fully requirements. If they're not compliant, then sometimes it means landlord cannot evict. At minimum, they may be able to obey rent. Check out it now, my friend. If there are open violations affecting safety like smoke detectors, operating systems, etc., tenants protected from eviction. If landlord wants rent when his stuff is neat and fixing at the premises, then these defenses the tenant has. The covenant of quiet enjoyment, and there's also the implied warranty of habitability, man. More on these both later, we gon' really dig in. Finally, check out your lease, cause all relief your landlord seeks has gotta be in your agreement. If he seeks attorney's fees, then well, for instance, if it's written, then he gets it. If it's missing, then he whiffs. It's that simple. Sales plus rent utilities if it's not in the lease, you can't get to see.